Troy Reabe here, Reabe Aircraft Improvement. We got a update we did to help with the calibrating of the HopSpeed settings. Turn the unit on. I'm going to start up and zero the sensors. Alright, first to get to the new setting, it's inside menu. I'm going to scroll over to setup, and then inside setup, too far. Inside setup, we're going to go over to HopSpeed. Inside here you have the zero and the set that you're used to. Now we also have a view function. In here, this is the HopSpeed percent. That's actually the number that you're setting in your aircraft when you say 30 or 10 or negative 10. This is that number that the sensor is seeing. That number is a ratio of the actual hopper pressure, which is here, versus the airspeed pressure here. Because it's a ratio, when the airspeed is zero, it can't show anything. So you can get in here and view it. Viewing it when you're on the ground, kind of useless. If you turn it on when you're on the ground and take off to go flying, as it's inside a setup menu, it's going to exit. So I'm going to use my little air pump that you hear here, and we're going to give some airspeed pressure here for us. And you'll see it slowly start coming up. So now I got a little bit of pressure on there, and you can see I got no hopper pressure, so it'll go through, it stays out. If I put some hopper pressure on, you can see how it is just the ratio of this divided by this gives us our hopper pressure ratio. So we're going to go through, and now we're going to bring airspeed up to actual takeoff pressure. Once it reaches that pressure, it is going to exit out of this menu. It's okay, we'll just re-enter it once we're flying. Okay, so now we're flying. Again, menu, setup, and then we go into HopSpeed, and we can inside, or since we're flying, we can select view or set. So we're going to go inside view. We're flying. You can see we have 95 is 96 is the reading on the airspeed. Currently I have no pressure on the hopper line. I'm going to try to connect that here. So I don't think we'd ever be here, but now you can start seeing we have 105% of airspeed pressure on the hopper speed pressure. Let's pinch that down. This is probably more so what we'll be seeing is, again, we'll have say 100 or so here, and then 90 or something, or 9 or so up there. That'll give us a reading of, say, 8. So as we fly around and we're dispensing the product, we want to see what this ratio is. When we're actually dispensing the product, and we want this number to be always greater than our HopSpeed setting. And then once we run out, I don't have a vacuum system set up, but this will actually should jump to a negative because we should see a suction inside the hopper. But this will jump down, and then we want that number when the hopper is sucking out to always be less than the value we're after. Hope this helps sort out some of the hopper pressure questions we've been having. Again, any comments, questions, feel free to contact me. And this became update A0122. Thank you.